Welcome to Ethereal Sinharaja Resort, a hidden sanctuary nestled beside the world-famous Sinharaja Forest Reserve, where nature remains pure, untouched, and full of wonder. Here, every journey begins with the soothing sound of flowing water. Crystal clear waterfalls descend from the rainforest hills, creating breathtaking cascades that sparkle beneath the tropical sunlight. Fresh mountain streams wind through ancient forests, carrying some of the purest water nature has to offer. Imagine standing beneath a cool waterfall, feeling the refreshing mist on your skin, listening to the gentle rhythm of water flowing over natural rock formations. Walk through the shallow streams, dip your feet into the cool water, or simply relax and let the peaceful atmosphere wash away the stress of everyday life. The waters of Sinharaja flow through a rainforest rich with medicinal and herbal plants, creating a unique natural environment that has been treasured for generations. Every stream and waterfall tells a story of life, purity, and the remarkable ecosystem that surrounds it. As you explore deeper into this rainforest paradise, you will discover an extraordinary world of biodiversity. Look closely and you may spot rare endemic birds soaring through the canopy, colorful butterflies fluttering among the trees, fascinating reptiles resting among the rocks, and unique amphibians thriving beside the streams. The rainforest is alive with countless species that make Sinharaja one of the most biologically important forests in the world. Wherever you look, nature paints a spectacular picture. Towering rainforest trees rise above emerald green valleys. Mist-covered mountains create dramatic scenery. Sunlight filters through the forest canopy, illuminating hidden waterfalls and crystal-clear pools. Every path reveals a new landscape, every turn offers a new adventure. Whether you are seeking relaxation, exploration, photography, birdwatching, hiking, or simply a deeper connection with nature, Ethereal Sinharaja Resort offers an experience unlike any other. Wake up to the songs of tropical birds, breathe the fresh rainforest air, and spend your days surrounded by the sights and sounds of one of Sri Lanka's greatest natural treasures. Here, you don't just see nature, you feel it. You hear it in the rushing waterfalls. You touch it in the cool streams. You breathe it in the fresh rainforest air. And you carry its beauty with you long after your journey ends. Come and experience the magic of crystal clear waterfalls, natural herbal streams, incredible biodiversity, and breathtaking landscapes. Welcome to Ethereal Sinharaja Resort, where the rainforest meets paradise, and every moment becomes an unforgettable memory. Call us for reservation cabana, adventurous game events, gondola hill hiking and feel nature experiences. Phone +94 77 553 3659 +94 78 318 8800.